Morning everybody, Dale here with another episode from Scrapyard Rescue. So today what we're going to do is we've decided to do some cheap backyard, no cost, nothing upholstery on the seats in the car. So what I've done is at one of the local stores in town the other day when we were in there, they had these Mexican blankets that they had on sale for 10 bucks. So I bought one. It's black, blue, white. It'll match the interior of the car. Really good. I have one on the back seat of my other car. This one's going in fairly number 2. And I was thinking the other day, you know, the other one I just kind of have draped over the seat. And so I thought I could just sew one of them blankets on this seat, put it on there, and I bet you it's going to look, you know, pretty dang good for, you know, a guy that can't afford to have real upholstery done. So I'm going to show you how I sewed it onto the frame here in a second, and then we're going to go stick it in a car. And seeing as how the back seat's a 2-piece seat, I sewed it to the back of the seat. I'll put that in the car, and then it'll just drape over the bottom of the seat. So that's just otherwise I could get another blanket and do the bottom of the seat and tuck it all in and sew it all in and stuff, but we'll see how this works first before we get too carried away with it. So I'm gonna get you over there and look at that, and then we're gonna go look in the car. All right, so this is what I got. You can see how the seat's just sitting here upside down, and I just folded all the edges of the blanket over because it's way too big. And then I got some yarn and I just threaded it all through the springs and around the frame and back and forth and tied it all up really good. And that yarn's pretty strong. I can't actually break it by pulling on it, so it's like stronger than string. And then this piece hanging here, that's the part that's going to hang over the bottom of the seat. So let's go see if it actually works or not. Okay, well, there's my new seat cover. It's all tucked in behind around the edges. You can see I put a new package tray back there yesterday, cleaned that all up. This is actually really cool. I'm going to do this with my other car. I have the blanket in the back, but I don't have it sewed, so I'm going to go ahead and sew that. I don't think I'll do it today, but you can see how it fits around the edges. Tucked in really nice. I like it. There's the other side. Yep, I think that worked out pretty good. Seeing as how, you know, nobody's ever going to sit back here, so this is going to be just nice. Looking good. All right, well, that worked out pretty good. That cost me a whole whop of 10 bucks to fix that seat up back there. And I think it looks really good. Like I said just a few minutes ago, I'm going to pull the back seat out of my other Fairlane. I'm going to sew that blanket around it, do the same thing. And I'm going to have some nice seat covers, and it's good enough, you know, until I get rich and famous and, you know, make $1 million, then I'll have the seats all reupholstered professionally. But otherwise, good enough for who it's for, right? Well, that's enough for videos for today. So just go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comments, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you feel like. It's okay with me. Just do it all. So, and I will just see you on the next video, guys. Thank you.